Hi there, YouTube. We're on a walk and I thought I would show you guys all of the fall color in our neighborhood because I think the leaves are pretty much at their peak in our neighborhood and it is absolutely beautiful. So pretty. Oh my goodness, you guys. This house is covered in, I think that's Boston ivy. Oh, and it's changing color. It's so pretty. Wow. So pretty. Like, it's truly so beautiful. That tree's really pretty. We are on the hunt for those two red trees back there. Look how pretty that is. And here's the first one. I love the trunk and structure of this tree. It is so pretty. Looks like some type of maple. Oh wow, and the bark is beautiful too. So pretty, and they have 3 of them lined up. Okay, we gotta see what this house is doing with their skeletons this year. They always have a ton of skeletons. And they're always set up in like really cool staging. Okay. Very neat. I love that one and this whole setup. Look at his eyes. I didn't even notice that. Oh, I also didn't notice him with his cigar and everything. He has like a whole troop behind him. I don't really understand some of it, but super creative. Wait, oh, it's from what?
Young Frankenstein.
Okay. The aspen is turning colors here. This is so neat, so pretty. Wouldn't want to have to rake up all these leaves though. Oh, that's beautiful. Whatever that is on the corner is really pretty. It's whatever these big trees are too. I'm not the best with tree identification. but it's gorgeous. Oh, my favorite, blue spruce to walk underneath. And that's a honey locust tree just like ours. That's pretty. These orange berries are gorgeous. Wow. I think this is a mountain ash. I looked it up because I see them all over our neighborhood and I think that they're so pretty. So pretty. Ooh, big pumpkin patch. We got free pumpkins from this place last year. They had a sign that said free pumpkins. Oh, look, that one's giant, but it's got a big eat mark out of it. No. Oh, that one's ate up too. Oh, that's so sad. The apples. That's so pretty. This tree is gorgeous, but y'all can barely tell because the sun is going down. You guys can see the sun setting on the mountains up there, which means it's probably about time for us to wrap this video up. Thank you guys so much for watching. This one was probably short, but I just wanted to share the fall leaves with you guys at their peak. And I'll see you guys around for whatever video I come up with for next time. Bye.